Here we are, turkey birds, working on the 1941 Buick. I've got the hood completely adjusted and operating exactly as it's supposed to. You see this little latch right here. You pull out on that, and there's a little wire bail you have to push in, and then you can raise this hood up. It flips over onto its side, and then there's a prop rod in there that holds it up. And then you can go to the other side and open it up also. So you can access the engine compartment from either side. After that, I put in the headliner, and that is just started. Got it hooked onto the sides. Now I've got to stretch it and fasten it to the sides and stretch it. Get all the wrinkles out of it, I hope. I've only done one other one besides this one. This is cloth. The first one I ever did was vinyl. So we'll see how it goes.